What are the typical process when we conduct a technical communication with customers regarding the entire production line?
Generally, the customer proposes the requirements for the production line, such as the production line specification document. Based on the specifications requirements for production line capacity, compatibility, process flow, technical requirements, etc., we conduct an evaluation. For any points of uncertainty, we communicate with the customer and then provide a corresponding production line layout, power demand table, and solution plan for customer confirmation. However, for customers without clear equipment requirements, we engage in direct communication to help them clarify their equipment needs, and we also provide mainstream product processes for reference.
Okay, so how long does this entire process usually take?
If the customer provides complete information in the initial stage, the process may be completed in 1 to 2 weeks. Currently, Huiyaolaser's production line configuration has been standardized and modularized, and through the corresponding assembly, it can meet most customers' needs.
Thank you so much for Mr. Gary's answer for today's episode. So if you have any other questions, you can you can write your questions in the comment section. And also if you have any other questions, you can send me a message to our email address and WhatsApp. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will see you next time. Bye. 大家好，欢迎。
那么我们今天第一个问题就是我们的产线是可以兼容哪些不同的 device？我们可以支持哪些产品？
设计